At Veritiv, our packaging engineers are specialists in protecting, securing, and optimizing the way building materials are packaged and delivered. In the building materials industry, the right packaging makes all the difference. With 121 distribution centers and 650 trucks and drivers, we're within reach of 99% of our customers, ensuring quicker delivery times and reduced shipping costs. We understand the unique needs of the building materials industry. Whether it's windows, doors, cabinets, countertops, wood products, metal products, plumbing and fixtures, heating and cooling systems, flooring, hardware, landscaping, our material-neutral approach and global sourcing network provide flexible solutions tailored to your needs. Secure your products with confidence. Our Secure Wrap analysis ensures that even the most complex pallet configurations are safely contained during transit, reducing damage and waste. Automation is the answer. Our packaging solutions increase worker safety and reduce costs with customized equipment and automated processes. Looking for sustainable solutions? Our specialists provide simple, effective strategies to reduce single-use plastics and meet sustainability goals, helping you navigate complex regulations like EPR. We don't just create your packaging, we put it to the test. Our ISTA-certified labs simulate real-world conditions to ensure your materials are protected at every step of their journey. From design to delivery, Veritiv's packaging engineers bring unmatched expertise in building materials packaging, ensuring your products arrive in perfect condition every time. When it comes to building materials packaging, it's not just the packaging, it's your product, and that's our purpose. Connect with a Veritiv building materials packaging expert today at our website.